Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Live Photo in the camera app. Tap the live icon until it's yellow. Position yourself, use the grid to align and reduce motion. Hold steady or brace your arms. You should anticipate action. Begin shooting 1 to 2 seconds before the peak moment so the 1.5-second buffer captures context. Once done, review the thumbnail immediately to confirm the yellow indicator stayed on. Make sure flash and exposure are set to avoid blown highlights. Now you learn how to refine the live photo. Open Photos, tap Edit, then tap the live photo area to scrub frames, drag the white box to pick the sharpest moment and tap Make Key Photo to lock it. Once you have the keyframe, apply creative effects. Loop for repeated motion, bounce to reverse and play, or long exposure to smooth moving elements. Each creates a different visual result. Make sure to tap Done to save edits without creating duplicates. Finish by sharing and exporting correctly. You can airdrop or message a live photo. When prompted, choose Live Photo to retain motion or Still Photo to send a single frame. To convert, use Share Save as Video for a 3-second clip or open a trusted app to export GIF. If live photos fail to save, check Settings, Camera Preserve Settings, ensure Live is enabled, and verify storage space. Clearing a few GB often resolves failures. If problem persists, restart the device and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.